Hi. In this video, we'll dive into Excel tables. A table comes with built-in tools for sorting, filtering, and formatting. Unlike a regular range, an Excel table is dynamic. It grows and adjusts as you add or remove data. Here, I have a data set. Right now, it's just a range. Let's convert it into a table. Select any cell in the dataset and press Ctrl-T. Or, go to the Home tab, click Format as Table, and select any table style you like from the list. Make sure that My Table Has Headers box is checked, as our data includes column headings. Once confirmed, Excel will automatically format your data as a structured table. When you select any cell in the Table Design tab appears on the ribbon, offering options to customize, style, and manage your table for better data organization and analysis. For example, you can customize the look of your table by selecting any cell within it, then going to the Table Design tab. In the Table Styles group, click the More button to expand the style gallery. From there, you can apply or clear a style. As you hover over different styles, Excel provides a live preview, instantly updating the table's appearance to help you choose the best option. Notice that each column heading in the table has a down arrow, which opens a menu for sorting and filtering based on the column's values. You can show or hide these arrows by checking or unchecking the Filter button option in the Table Style Options group under the Table Design tab. The first column option applies special formatting to the first column of the table, making it stand out. Similarly, the last column option enhances the last column. These options are useful when these columns contain important information, such as names or categories. The Banded Rows option adds alternating row colors for better readability, updating automatically as you add or remove rows. Similarly, banded columns apply shading to columns for easier vertical comparisons. Using both creates a boxed effect that may not look great, so it's best to enable either banded rows or banded columns, but not both. The Total Row option adds a summary row at the bottom of the table. Each cell in this row displays a down arrow, allowing you to quickly select a built-in function like sum, average, or count for numeric columns. If your desired function isn't listed, click More Functions to access additional options. The Header Row option ensures that the first row of the table remains as column headers. These headers are automatically bolded and stay visible when scrolling if the table is large. Additionally, they enable built-in sorting and filtering, making data management easier. For example, you can sort your data in ascending or descending order, just like I did in the bonus column. The header row also provides number or text filters based on the column's data. For example, in the bonus column, we applied a number filter by selecting greater than, then entered 4,000 in the custom autofilter box and clicked OK. Now, the table displays only records where the bonus exceeds 4,000. To clear this filter, click the down arrow in the header and choose Clear Filter from Bonus. Next, to show records with a bonus less than 1,000, we selected Less Than, entered 1,000 in the custom autofilter box, and clicked OK. The table now displays only records with a bonus below 1,000. These number filters go beyond just greater than or less than. You can filter data that is equal to or not equal to a specific value, display the top 10 values, show records above average or below average, or even create a custom filter based on your needs, all using the table headers. At the bottom of Header menu, you'll see a list of checkboxes representing unique values in that column. These checkboxes allow you to quickly filter the table by selecting or deselecting specific values. For example, if you uncheck all but one value, the table will display only rows containing that value. You can also use the Select All option or Clear Filter from to reset the filter and show all data again. As we discussed earlier, the filters available in the header menu depend on the column's data type. For text values, Excel provides text filters, allowing you to filter data based on conditions like contains, begins with, ends with, or does not contain. You can use these options to refine your data according to your needs. The Table Design tab also allows you to insert a slicer from the Tools group. Simply select the column you want to filter, and the slicer will appear as a floating box with interactive buttons, enabling you to filter data with a single click. A slicer is a visual filtering tool in Excel that allows you to quickly filter table or pivot table data with clickable buttons. Unlike standard filters, slicers provide a clear view of the applied filters and make it easy to switch between selections. The Remove Duplicates option in the Tools group of the Table Design tab helps eliminate duplicate rows from a table. When you click Remove Duplicates, Excel opens a dialog box where you can select the columns to check for duplicates. If duplicate rows are found based on the selected columns, Excel keeps only the first occurrence and removes the rest. A message then displays how many duplicates were removed and how many unique values remain. This feature is useful for cleaning data and ensuring there are no repeated records in your table. The Convert to Range option changes an Excel table back into a normal range while keeping the table's formatting. When you click Convert to Range, Excel removes table-specific features like structured references, automatic filters, and table-specific formatting, but the data remains intact. A confirmation message appears before the conversion. If you also want to remove the table's formatting after converting it to a range, go to the Home tab, click Clear, and choose Clear Formats. This will remove all table-specific formatting, leaving only the raw data without colors, borders, or styles. Another table feature is structured data, which we discussed in a previous video. Here's a brief explanation. When you create a table, Excel allows you to use structured references instead of traditional cell references. Notice that when we enabled the total row, Excel inserted a subtotal formula that sums the entire column by using the column name bonus instead of a fixed cell range like D2 to D10. Here, bonus refers to the entire bonus column within the table, making the formula easier to read and update. The 109 in the subtotal function applies the sum function while ignoring hidden rows, which is useful when filtering data. Structured references automatically adjust as you add or remove rows, keeping your formulas dynamic and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the structured references tutorial linked in the description. See you in the next video.